So you could soon have your very own personal R2-D2 or C-3PO. At scale, the price might be somewhere around $20,000 to $30,000, probably even cheaper than a car. If you grew up watching C-3PO and R2-D2, the idea of having a robot buddy always by your side sounds both exciting and maybe a bit unreal. But Elon Musk believes that this is about to become part of our real lives with the Tesla bot Optimus Gen 3. Every time Musk shows off a new skill of Optimus, the public reacts with a mix of amazement and a little bit of worry. Will robots like these become our daily helpers, or is this heading towards something like a real-life Terminator, taking over jobs? Those concerns make sense. Every major technology shift brings the same question: how is this going to change my life? That's why Tesla's newest reveal is important. The Optimus Gen 3 can now perform around 1,000 different household tasks and shows amazing balance. It's gone from just a smart prototype to what could actually become a trusted household helper. In Tesla's most recent clip, the robot picks up a trash bag, opens the lid, sweeps crumbs, vacuums hard floors, tears a paper towel, stirs a pot of soup, and even selects the right Model X part. And all of this is powered by one multitasking brain. This version of Optimus is expected to begin factory deployment later this year. Another clip shows the bot walking on loose gravel. It slips, catches itself, and then keeps going without falling, showing balance at a level close to that of an athlete. That's not something you see in most robots. In the sections ahead, we're going to take a deeper look at what these 1,000 tasks really mean. Whether you're cautiously watching or already setting money aside for your metal assistant, this moment could change how we think of robots in our homes. Welcome to Amp Drive. While most people are focusing on the big news about the upcoming Tesla Robotaxi, also known as the Cybercab, which Elon Musk promises will launch on June 12, another major innovation is quietly moving forward. That's the Tesla bot Optimus, which continues to gain new abilities in the background. While test drives and taxi demos grab all the attention, Optimus is being steadily upgraded with more skills, better movement, and smarter thinking. From the beginning, Optimus was designed as a household assistant. In Tesla's videos, the robot is often shown doing simple home tasks like cleaning, serving drinks, collecting packages, or watering plants. Elon Musk thinks that if Optimus can truly take care of helpful chores, then everyone, yes, all 8 billion people, will eventually want one. Imagine if all your daily chores like vacuuming, making dinner, or helping care for a family member were handled by a $20,000 robot. Optimus can keep running for nearly 10 hours straight, thanks to Tesla's advanced 4680 battery. It runs on AI and high-end sensors, allowing it to perform jobs with great accuracy and adjust its approach on the fly. Just like a person. From sorting clothes by type and color to preparing food or helping out with kids or elderly people, Optimus Gen 3 is made to take on a wide range of household tasks. It's the most advanced version so far. It can fold laundry, water plants, deal with fragile items like eggs or batteries, and even use a computer. It can dance, squat, and walk around an office with a natural, human-like style. Just picture putting it in a retail store, folding and packing hundreds or thousands of shirts for customers each day. No need to pay for staff. Or imagine something even crazier, it could pick up eggs and make breakfast sandwiches for your children every morning. With just one neural network, Optimus performs many household jobs like sweeping floors, basic cooking, microwave use, vacuuming, and picking up trash. Besides household work, it's also shown it can be useful in factories. It has placed car parts, such as the Model X front linkage, onto carts and sorted them with care. You might think, well, it's just following orders, right? That's true. A simple voice command like, pick up the broom and sweep the floor, is all it needs to get started. Then it goes ahead and does exactly that. Optimus can now use both arms at once, not just one like earlier versions. Think of it like how you might go on YouTube to learn how to fix a faucet or bake a cake. Optimus learns in a similar way. It begins with easy actions like taking out the trash, closing curtains, stirring food, or using a vacuum cleaner. Once it sees how a task is done, it practices in a simulated space. For example, if you want Optimus to learn how to cook a steak, Tesla shows it a video of a chef doing it. Then, in a virtual world, the robot repeats the process over and over, billions of times. It tries different cuts, spices, and cooking times. With each mistake, the AI learns and improves. Once it reaches almost perfect accuracy, say 99%, it's ready to do the task in real life. This way of training helps it learn much faster than old methods, and it's a huge leap forward in robotics. Tesla Optimus can learn up to 1,000 new tasks a day. But don't expect it to instantly learn 100 fancy recipes. Instead, it focuses on useful but simpler tasks like cleaning tables, dusting shelves, or vacuuming floors. A major upgrade in the Gen 3 version is its ability to talk. Elon Musk has confirmed that this new version can speak and understand up to 15 languages. It also has gesture recognition up to 90% accuracy, so it can understand body movements too. Optimus Gen 3 can also adjust how it behaves depending on who it's dealing with. It uses smart AI to change its tone, behavior, and words based on your age, your mood, and your needs. For people with memory issues, Optimus can help by giving reminders to take medicine, attend appointments, or even eat on time. For older people living alone, it can be a kind companion. It can chat, recall memories, or simply listen. Offering the feeling of being cared for. Musk believes each of us will eventually have a robot like this. It will be able to learn tasks just by watching videos of humans doing them. The next version of Optimus will have 22 degrees of freedom and might even be able to play piano. Optimus Gen 2 has a 2.3 kWh battery, enough to work for 8 hours, a typical work shift. Gen 3 has a 7-inch screen on its chest, which gives a simple, easy way to interact with it. Its voice and gesture recognition lets it understand you well. And again, it can adjust how it acts based on your mood, age, or personality. This makes it not just a helper but also a possible friend, assistant, and therapist. While it's cleaning the house, doing laundry, or making food, it can talk, accept new tasks, or react to changes right away. It can also prepare meals based on your diet and health needs. Imagine it making low-salt pasta for someone with high blood pressure. Its chemical sensors scan ingredients for nutrients and allergens. It knows how to adjust recipes and cooking times using feedback from temperature sensors to make sure the food turns out right. For home cleaning, Optimus uses 360-degree sensors to move around and clean the whole area without missing anything, saving families 20 hours of chores a week. It uses LiDAR and ultrasound to map out the room and find dirt and objects in real time. The AI chooses which tasks to do first and uses its delicate fingers to pick up small things like toys or crumbs. You can ask it to do many different jobs, even ones it hasn't been specifically taught, just like you'd ask a person. The Tesla bot Optimus Gen 3 is a mix of practical help and emotional connection. It's built to do more than just tasks. It's designed to support those who might feel alone or have physical challenges. People with conditions like Parkinson's can benefit from its steady hands and precise movements. Things like buttoning a shirt or pouring water become easier again. It can even help people remember names or stories, keeping their minds more active. Loneliness isn't just about not having people around, it's about lacking real connection. The Optimus Gen 3 is built to help with that too, offering conversations and even joy. You'll be able to change its voice and personality. Over time, it learns your preferences. Eventually, you won't have to say certain things, it will already know. Optimus can quickly respond to questions using its advanced AI brain. Musk once called it the most intelligent robot brain on the planet. In recent images, it's seen using a computer, typing, holding a smartphone, handling an envelope, and even writing with a pen. It could make a great office assistant. Think about it, it can reply to emails, send messages to partners, remind you about meetings, and even take notes during calls. Its movement in offices looks very natural, and it could easily become part of your team. Optimus also keeps an eye on things. With 8 wide-angle cameras and other sensors, it watches for danger, like strange faces or possible threats. If it notices something odd, it alerts you or security. Its walking is smart too. On flat floors, it walks upright to save energy. On rough surfaces like ramps or gravel, it adjusts its steps like a hiker would. At home, it connects with Tesla's smart home system. It can dim lights, adjust the thermostat, lock the doors, close curtains, or even charge the Powerwall. You don't need to do anything. Updates and reports show up on its chest screen or through voice, so you always know what's going on. If there's a spill, a bump, or if it needs a break, it handles it all and gets back to work. Optimus Gen 3 is said to be 100 times faster than Gen 2. In Tesla's 2025 Q1 earnings call, they mentioned preparing a pilot production line in the Fremont factory, with a goal of finishing it before the year ends. The plan is to deploy thousands of these bots across Tesla's North American factories by the end of the year, marking a huge shift from development to real-world use. Musk also said the robot would have the AI-4 chip, with an upgrade to AI-5 coming soon, giving it even better abilities. It uses the same FSD chip as Tesla's self-driving cars, but it's tuned for robots. It processes huge amounts of data very quickly, with memory that beats old supercomputers. It refreshes its control loop every 2 to 3 milliseconds, that's about 400 to 500 updates a second. That kind of speed is key for balance. Most robots fall easily, this one corrects itself before you can blink. In a video from December 2024, Optimus climbs and descends gravel hills, swinging its arms to stay balanced. Another clip shows it doing dance moves and squats on concrete, all without safety cables or help. High-torque motors let each joint adjust quickly, and AI predicts the robot's center of gravity as it moves. Most robots can't do this, Optimus can. Speed is also improving. Earlier versions walked at 1 meter per second, 2.2 miles per hour. Tesla wants Gen 3 to reach 2 to 3 meters per second, enough to keep up with people and move fast in factories. These improvements depend on lighter motors, better gears, and smarter navigation software. Production is happening at Giga Texas. Without full automation yet, engineers have already hand-built over 100 robots, testing a modular design that's quick to assemble. Elon Musk says they'll start with 5,000 bots this year, grow to 50,000 to 100,000 in 2025 to 26, and maybe hit 500,000 to 1 million units by 2027. Every bot goes through a 72-hour test with torque checks, sensor trials, and non-stop tasks in real or simulated homes and factories. Only then does it get the Optimus badge. Durability also improved. Gen 3 is rated for more than 20,000 hours, that's about 10 years at 8 hours per day. That's double what many robots offer. Tesla is also working to reduce costs, finding magnet suppliers in Australia and Canada and building rare earth-free motors. In Tesla factories, these bots already help move parts, support smaller tasks, and check quality. The engineers get real-time data to improve both hardware and software. Put it all together, and Optimus Gen 3 is no longer just a cool demo. It's a fast-learning, self-balancing, soon-to-be mass-produced machine that could change how we work and live, possibly even before this decade is over. When a robot can learn 1,000 skills a day and balance like a pro athlete, should we be excited, or concerned about a power we might not fully control? Please share what you think in the comments section below this video. Thanks for watching our video. If you want more amazing updates about Tesla EVs or the Tesla bot, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to AMP Drive and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our updates. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.